In today's video, I'll teach you how to activate your Westpac credit card. First of all, launch open any browser of your choice. You can see over here I've opened Google Chrome. Now after you do that, what you have to do is click on the search bar. Now type in westpac.com.au. Press enter. Now after you do that, you'll be led to the official website of Westpac. Initially, you'll be led to this kind of interface. So if you want to activate your credit card, it is actually very simple. At top, you'll be able to find the options like home, personal, business, corporate, about us and help. Click on this option business. Now you'll be able to find various options over here. At third, you'll be able to find this option for credit cards. What you have to do is click on it. Now you'll be able to go to the credit cards interface. You'll be able to find various options over here. Right over here, you'll be able to find the section for I want to. Over here, you can see various options. What you have to do is find this option for activate my credit card and click on it. Now you'll be able to activate your credit card. In this interface, you can also see the instructions to activate your credit card. You can activate your credit card by using the Westpac application, or you can also activate it via the online banking. If you want to use the Westpac application in order to activate your credit card, what you have to do is open the Westpac application first. After you do that, tap on the cards option from the bottom menu, find your card and tap on the option activate card. After you do that, you'll have to enter your card number and expiry date. Then select the option for activate. After you do that, your credit card will be activated. If you want to use the classic Westpac app, for that what you have to do is simply tap on the self-serve icon that you'll be able to see in the application. Under the section for card services, you'll be able to find the option for activate card. Tap on it. Now after you do that, what you have to do is simply enter your card number and expiry date. After that, you'll be able to find the option for activate. Tap on it. After that, your credit card will be activated. Likewise, you can also use the online banking. In order to do that, what you have to do is simply sign into online banking from a desktop. After you do that, what you have to do is go to service. Now, when you go to service, you'll be able to find the option for services. Click on it. After you do that, under the section for card services, what you have to do is find the option for activate card and select it. Now after you do that, what you have to do is simply enter the card number and expiry date, then select the option for activate. After that, your card will be activated. So these are basically the instructions that you need to follow in order to activate your credit card. Now in this interface, you'll be able to find this option for activate card. What you have to do is click on it. Now after you do that, you'll be redirected to the new interface. What you have to do is simply sign in to your account in order to activate it. What you have to do is enter your customer ID. Now enter the password. After you enter the credentials, click on this option sign in that you can see on the screen and you'll be signed in to your account. After you do that, what you have to do is simply follow through the prompts and follow all the instructions that I said earlier. Enter your expiry date and card number. After you do that, you'll be able to find the option for activate card. Click on it and your card will be activated. So like this, you'll be able to activate the card. So that is how you activate Westpac credit card. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.